Nick Lacavo here with my buddy Eric Tate, and we're here to talk about Pocket Nightmare by Max Maven. Now, you've seen the full performance on the website, which is incredible, and we're here to show you exactly what you're going to receive when you purchase Pocket Nightmare by Max Maven. I already said that twice, but that's okay. So you're going to get a really cool box, right, with the P3 logo on the back, and are those Max's eyes?
I think those might be Max's eyes. It's you can tell because of the quizzical eyebrow that comes up, I think.
Anyway, you are going to get a special deck on the inside of the box, and it will come sealed, this deck of cards. I already opened this just so you didn't have to see me struggle with the seals.
Too excited to open it up and get to grips with it.
Yeah, but you are going to get a special deck with this. The routine does use a particular deck of cards, and I'll open this up so you guys can see what's going on. There's a couple special cards here that I'm going to lay to the side because I'm not going to show you the exact secret behind the trick. Yeah. But I did want to show you that this is printed on bicycle stock, right? These are, is this the crush stock? Actually, I believe it is.
I think it is the crush stock now that I think about it.
Yeah, here, give it the squeeze test because you'll know.
Oh, yeah. These are the crush stock. These are really nice. What's really nice about this is while Max has actually released this before and talked about it on a download, this is the first time that the deck has ever been custom printed, because you used to have to do a lot of arts and crafts to actually make this particular trick. Mm-hmm. And now all the work is done for you. Yeah,
because this deck does two things. Well, one, I mean, you watch the performance, so this deck will force a particular card, mm-hmm. and it will also make that card vanish from the deck. But the way the deck is designed, it also allows you to hand the deck to the spectator, and once the 5 of hearts in this case has vanished from the deck, the spectator can spread through, and there's just no way to actually find the 5 of hearts in the pack. Okay, the spectator can really handle the cards. You're going to learn a lot from Max on the instructional video on how this is possible, because the deck is 2 layers really, where the deck is doing the work for you, but also the way that you're presenting the effect helps disguise everything that's going on here.
It's a really interesting routine and very thorough instructional materials. Max goes through the full history of the effect, when he first performed it at FISM, to variations on it that have been published over the years, to his publication of it, and then Penguin getting involved and coming together to print the special deck.
Yeah,
you can really learn a lot from this. And I know Nick and I have mentioned this a bunch of other places, but this is really a fantastic extra trick to have just in case you need an additional 5 minutes. It's almost like a replacement for the invisible deck in some senses, because it's just a fully scripted out routine that is super powerful, hits the audience really hard, and gets those reactions that you want.
Yeah, because it's just one deck of cards, right? So you leave this in your case. You got 3 to 5 minutes in your show. I mean, of course, you can do a close-up as well. Because it's going to be the same card every time, it might not be something that you want to do like table to table, but man, for 3 to 5 minutes on stage in Parlor, killer, right? I should also mention that I say this whenever we talk about Pocket Nightmare, but yes, there is one particular card here, but get it now, because when this sells out and we reprint Pocket Nightmare, we will print a new force card, okay? So if you get this one, and then you get the next one, then you'll have 2 different ones.
Yeah.
So get it while you still can get this particular one, because you will not regret having this pack laying around for your next show.
Should also point out that it comes with everything you need to perform the routine. You're not going to have to steal cards from other decks or do any sort of extra arts and crafts construction. Literally everything that comes inside this box is all you will need to perform Max Maven's Pocket Nightmare.